Hey sisters, I'm so excited to have you here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our creative family. Today we're diving into some amazing glow-up tips that will have you looking and feeling your best. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips are perfect for everyone. But get this, we're doing it all claymation style. That's right, we're taking our love for beauty and creativity to a whole new level. We're going to transform you from a lump of clay to a sculpted masterpiece, honey. It's all about embracing your unique beauty and having fun with the process. So grab your sculpting tools, your thirst for transformation, and let's get started. First, we'll go over the basics of sculpting and shaping your claymation character. It's important to start with a solid foundation. Once we have our base, we can start adding details. This is where your creativity really gets to shine. Think about the features you want to highlight and the personality you want your character to have. Next, we'll move on to the fun part, adding color and texture. This is where your character really comes to life. We'll use different techniques to create depth and dimension, and don't forget about accessories. Adding little touches like jewelry, hats, or even tiny props can make a big difference in your character's overall look. Finally, we'll go over some tips for animating your character. Movement is key to bringing your claymation to life. We'll cover basic techniques and some advanced tricks to make your animation smooth and realistic. I can't wait to see what you create. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. So let's get sculpting and make some magic happen. Thanks for joining me on this claymation glow-up journey. Don't forget to share your creations with me on social media using the hashtag #ClaymationGlowUp. Until next time, stay creative and keep shining. First up, let's talk about skincare. Skincare is the foundation of any beauty routine, and it's essential to get it right. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and try. So let's dive into the basics and beyond. Just like you wouldn't paint on a dirty canvas, you gotta prep that beautiful skin. We're talking cleansing, exfoliating, and making sure every pore is free from dirt and grime. Cleansing is the first step to remove makeup, oil, and impurities. Exfoliating helps to slough off dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, glowing complexion underneath. Masking, the whole 9 yards. Face masks can target specific skin concerns like dryness, acne, or dullness. Whether you prefer a hydrating sheet mask, a detoxifying clay mask, or a brightening peel-off mask, there's something for everyone. Make it a weekly ritual to give your skin that extra boost. And remember, sisters, skincare is not one size fits all. Everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to understand your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, and choose products that cater to its specific needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what makes your skin happiest. You've got to find what works for your skin type and stick to it. Consistency is key in any skincare routine. Once you find products that your skin loves, make them a part of your daily regimen. Morning and night, give your skin the care it deserves. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and don't forget the sunscreen during the day. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Healthy, glowing skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When your skin is well taken care of, it shows. You'll feel more confident and ready to take on the world. So go ahead and pamper yourself. Your skin is worth it. Okay, sisters, let's talk hydration. You know, I'm all about that dewy, glowy skin, and the key to that is H2O. That means drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And no, sugary drinks don't count. Water is your BFF when it comes to glowing skin. So keep that water bottle handy. Listen up, sisters. You can't expect to glow from the inside out if you're filling your body with junk. A balanced diet is key for a healthy mind and body. Load up on those fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. And don't be afraid to indulge in moderation. Remember, it's all about balance. Sisters, let's talk beauty sleep. It's not a myth. When you're sleep deprived, it shows on your face. Dark circles, dull skin, breakouts. Nobody wants that. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Now, I know working out isn't everyone's cup of tea, but trust me, it does wonders for your glow up. You might feel hesitant at first, and that's completely normal. We all have those moments when the couch seems more inviting than a workout session. But let me tell you, the benefits of exercising go far beyond just physical appearance. Exercise helps to increase blood flow, flush out toxins, and improve your mood. When you get your heart pumping, you're not just burning calories, you're also boosting your mental health. The endorphins released during physical activity can make you feel happier and more relaxed. Plus, regular exercise can help you sleep better, which is crucial for overall well-being. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, which can be a fun way to get your body moving and your spirits lifted. Dancing not only helps you stay fit, but also allows you to express yourself creatively. It's a fantastic way to break a sweat without feeling like you're doing a traditional workout. Yoga, which is excellent for flexibility and mental clarity, or hitting the gym, where you can challenge yourself with weights and cardio machines. Yoga can be particularly beneficial for reducing stress and improving your focus. On the other hand, the gym offers a variety of equipment and classes to keep things interesting and help you build strength and make it a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of exercise. Try to set a schedule that works for you, whether it's a morning jog, an evening yoga session, or a weekend dance class. The important thing is to stick with it and make it a habit. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. So sweat it out, sister, and embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you. Sisters, let's talk about mental health. It's just as important as physical health when it comes to your glow up. Take time for yourself, practice self-care, and don't be afraid to seek professional help if you need it. Remember, a happy mind equals a radiant you. Now for the fun part, makeup. Makeup is like art, and your face is the canvas. Experiment with different looks, find what makes you feel confident, and don't be afraid to go bold. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty, not covering it up. Sisters, fashion is a way to express yourself, so have fun with it. Experiment with different styles, find what makes you feel confident and comfortable, and don't be afraid to break the rules. Remember, confidence is the best accessory. Sisters, self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Take time for yourself to relax, recharge, and do things that make you feel good. Whether it's a bubble bath, a face mask, or reading a good book, make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. Sisters, the most important tip for a successful glow-up. Confidence. Believe in yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out, so own it. Thanks for watching, sisters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay fabulous.